Lemon blush caladium. Whether you're looking for a border plant or an elegant splash of color to add to your home decor, the lemon blush caladium can meet both requirements. Standing at 18 to 24 inches tall, the plant features white chartreuse borders and an unmistakable pink-red center and red-rose center leaf veins that create a playful foliage plan. Don't overwater your lemon blush or its roots will start to rot, leading to the quick and irreversible demise of the plant. Always assess the moisture level of the soil before you reach for the watering can. Raspberry Moon. A taller caladium variety that reaches around 24 inches. The Raspberry Moon is a shade or semi-shade loving plant with light green to yellow leaves patterned with raspberry pink or red blotches. The plant looks wonderfully in containers or as border plants, planted outdoors. Remember that caladiums are not cold or frost tolerant, so if you're keeping this plant outdoors, take it inside in the fall. For caladiums planted in the garden, you need to dig out the tubers and place them in cold storage over the winter months. In spring, when there is no risk of frost or sudden changes in temperatures, you can plant them outside. Burning heart caladium. The burning heart caladium is a fancy leaf caladium type that stands out with its large, all-red leaves that only feature a few splotches of pink or orange spots. It's not a caladium that everyone might like, but it's certainly one that's memorable for its intense red foliage. Burning heart caladium grows to about 20 inches. Caladiums grow from a tuberous corm. Tubers are available in different sizes based on diameter. The larger the tuber, the more leaf buds, so bigger tubers will produce a larger foliage display. Each tuber has a large, central bud surrounded by several small buds, eyes. The central bud will produce the largest leaves but also suppresses the smaller buds from growing. You can encourage the small buds to grow and produce more slightly smaller leaves by removing the large, central bud by gouging it out with the tip of a sharp knife. Just be careful not to injure any of the surrounding small buds. Caladium plants do bloom but very infrequently. When a caladium blooms, caladium plants bloom anytime from spring into autumn when the plant is in its active growth cycle. The North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service describes a caladium flower as being an inconspicuous spadix that is less than 1 inch in length, emerging from a trumpet-shaped spathe that is yellowish-green in color. It resembles a jack in the pulpit or a small, stout calla lily. The flowers are of little ornamental value, but some growers choose to keep them in place despite the fact that they take energy away from tuber and leaf production. To prune off a caladium flower, simply snip off the flower at the base of the stalk using clean, sharp pruning shears. Make sure the shears are very sharp so they cut cleanly. Wash your pruning shears in soapy water and then wipe down the blades with rubbing alcohol prior to use. Sanitizing the blades will help prevent the transmission of disease between plants. Thank you for watching Lee channel. Wishing you all a beautiful day. Take care.